Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Thailand, welcome to another video. And today I'm trying my Rebel for the first time with these brand new seats that I make a video on the last video. I make a video on the last time. And today I'm carrying my CC bar. I just installed this brand new CC bar. This is not a CC bar bag, however I adapt it to can go there. And that's it. Let's take a ride to the beach. You always travel with me to the same beach, so today let's go to a different beach. Let's take some curvy roads and I will tell you my opinion about this brand new aftermarket seat for the Rebel 1100. Let's go. Okay, this is too short. Let's go to another beach, and after the next one I will give you my first review of 20 to 30 kilometer riding this motorcycle. Yay. Okay, we arrived. So let's make a quick review about this seat. So as you know, I pay almost $400 for this seat. It was $390 something, almost $400 free shipping. And as you can see, the seat, at least from here, from the video, from the picture, look more comfortable than the stock seat. However, I can tell you it's exactly the same. Even it look taller, it isn't taller, it's just larger. And basically these area here make it look like taller, but the stock seat is exactly the same tall, however cut around here and make it look smaller. But the front part, the rider seat is exactly the same, don't have any difference in my opinion. In terms of looks, the visual, I like more the stock seat. I think the stock seat matched the motorcycle, was made for this motorcycle. But yeah, it's quite rounded and not comfortable and everything else. But in my opinion, this one is exactly the same thing. Just look comfy, just look comfortable, but in my opinion, is exactly the same. However, like I told you guys in the last video, I bought this seat thinking more about my girlfriend, my pillion. Because she was complaining a lot while we're riding that the stock seat, the pillion stock seat, passenger stock seat from the Rebel 1100 was too small, exactly same problem we have before on the Rebel 300. You guys didn't know because I didn't make videos at the time, but I owned a Rebel 300, and we have exactly the same problem. She always complained that the stock seat was too small, and when we're making a longer trip, like 1 hour, 2 hours, or even more, is extremely uncomfortable. After 15 minutes she started complaining for real. After a few kilometers she already complained that the seat was not comfortable, bad leg position because the seat was too low, and yeah, that's what happened. That's why I bought this seat. She's busy now, so she didn't ride with me yet, so I cannot give you the opinion about the pillion, the back part of the seat. However, from the front part of the seat, the rider part, I can tell you that I don't feel any difference between this and the stock seat. If you want something that have this kind of looks, go for it. If you're looking something that's more comfortable or taller or more upright position, forget this seat, because the position on this seat is exactly the same as the stock one, so it doesn't worth the change for that. About the pillion part, as soon as I make some trip with my girlfriend, something more than 1 hour, 2 hours, I already can give you my opinion in comparison to the stock seat. But that's it. It's a $400 seat. You cannot expect much. It is made in Thailand. As some of you know, I live here in Thailand as well, and so for me it arrived in 3 or 4 days, I am not sure, and I think they deliver it to US and Australia and UK. Maybe around 15 days to 30 days, I'm not sure about that. You need to check the link down below. I will let you guys know what the shop I bought in eBay. I bought in eBay, by the way, so you can feel more comfortable buying something from another side of the world, and you still have the policy refund and everything else if something goes wrong. But that's it. I let the link here. If you want to check this same shop, you take a quick look on their store page, and you will see they have more 2 or 3 options of seats. All of them have a different design, and you still have one that is 2 different pieces, so you still can use the storage and the USB and everything else without need to remove the full seat. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys understand what I mean. My English isn't the best, and sometimes I want to express something a little bit more deep details, but my English is not enough for that. So I will give a better description of what I want to say about this seat here in the description as well, so you guys open the description of the video. I will give a better review than this one that I just spoke to you. Sorry about that, but as you know, I'm Portuguese and I live in Thailand, and yeah, I'm still practicing using my English. I even quite afraid of using English in this channel, because I quite ashamed to use my English for real. But that's it. And as you guys saw, this beach is extremely dirty. It's one of the worst beaches here in Rayong province. The name is Lamson. I will let you in the video as well, if someday you're interested to come until here. But as you can see, unfortunately, this one is a typical Asian beach that nobody take care. Extremely dirty. Every time the water come until here, bring a lot of trash, and as you see, nobody come here and take care of it. Usually Thai people enjoy sitting there down the trees, making their picnic, their barbecues, whatever, drinking a beer. But usually you don't see people in the sun taking sun bath or something else, because they don't like sun. Thai people hate sun, they like shadow. So nobody use the beach around here like we do in Portugal or in Brazil. But that's it, guys. And the next video you can expect my new review of the CC bar I just installed today. This is neither a CC bar bag. I just adapt a bag that I had at home, and for real, let me tell you the truth, this bag is completely empty. I just put it here to check how it looked like and take some pictures, but both of them are empty. I was just curious how the motorcycle look like. I want to see how it look like, take some pictures, and check if it's exactly this that I want, or I will change it again. But I can tell you about the CC bar, I didn't like it and I don't recommend it, because I had another CC bar in another motorcycle, and basically you see the space here, look the distance between this. The another CC bar I had, the CC bar was here, but I had this in the Rebel 300, not in the Rebel 1100. For the Rebel 1100 don't have much accessories yet, and I feel really bad about all of this area, because I'm thinking if my girlfriend sit here, will be really uncomfortable. She will be basically laying down there And yeah, you have all of this area. Probably she will sit around here on these little end parts. I'm not sure if the CC bar goes well here for real. I need to think better about it and we need to try. But look like the CC bar is quite far from the seat, and that's not something that I think much there. And basically, as you see, the texture here is different from this. But yeah, at the moment don't have anything else in the market. Unfortunately for the Rebel 1100, almost don't have anything available. So we need to we need to play with what we have. Bad luck for us, guys, right? I see you guys in America are having the same problem, don't have much accessories available, but at least you guys have like SW Motec. I think they are German, not sure, but they sell in US, right? You have a lot of accessories on Amazon and on eBay, and you have many motorcycle shops that are quite famous online, and they ship to Thailand. Almost everything is around $50 to $100 of shipping, so I'm neither risking to buy anything from there. If I need to refund or return the stuff, probably will be a trouble. I'm impressed. I live in Thailand and don't have many accessories yet. Usually Thailand is one of the first countries to start making every kind of accessories, but look like anything I want to change on this motorcycle, I need to make something custom, go directly to some factory or mechanic or whatever you call to the guy that to work with the steel. But that's it, guys. So I got to ride for a little bit more, and as I told you, is not uncomfortable, but is not comfortable as well. It's exactly the same as the stock seat. I don't feel any difference for real. In my opinion, the position that I sit is exactly the same, and after 30-40 minutes of ride I still have a little pain in my lower back, so I believe it's practically the same as the stock one. But that's it, let's ride for a while, a little bit more. Hope you guys enjoy the view.